Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to withdraw playtime in GCash. So let's start. Before you withdraw the money, you have to transfer winnings to your GCash wallet. So you make sure that any winnings from Playtime app have been successfully transferred to your GCash account. The withdrawal processes from the app may have its own step. So also you have to check your wallet limit. Ensure you are not exceeding your GCash wallet's transaction limits, as this can prevent cash in and cash outs. So now, how can you cash out from your GCash wallet? First, you have a partner outlet. Okay, so go to any GCash partner outlet like convenience store or remittance center. Inform the teller you want to cash out from your GCash, and provide your phone number, the amount you want to withdraw, and your valid ID. ID ATM, you can also GCash Mastercard. You can withdraw cash at any bank net or GCash affiliate ATM. Insert your GCash Mastercard into the ATM and follow the on-screen instruction to the withdrawal cash. And transfer to the bank account. Open the GCash tap bank transfer, or you can select cash out and choose the money to your bank account. So that's how you can do it, guys. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumb up to this video.